Flair loud and proud. Alright, so got your pieces of Flair? Make sure to get your Flair. If you don't have enough Flair, can't work here. So, I'm going to be bubble flaring all these lines. Got all my fittings on. Let's see if this will do that it can do. Get this back there, it doesn't need to be there. Shove that there. Get it stick out about there. We'll see, a little bit closer. I'm using my cheap bubble flare tool from Amazon. Mon ami. Oui. But it does do the job. Oh, missed it. Missed the hole. Story of my life. Alright, let's see if this will do what I want it to do and not mess up my brake lines. I think it did the thing. Let's find out. Oh. Pretty fancy. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Oh, yes. All right. Now only like, I don't know, 14 more to go. Now that is all the brake lines for the inside flared and installed where they need to go. Now I got 3 more I got to do on the outside. But that also reminds me, today's the 3rd day of me posting a video every day until I reach at least another 1,000 subscribers. Put me at around 2,000. So if you like to see more content on this, the world's first center driver seat Volkswagen Golf Mark IV, and all the crazy crap I'm doing to it, please subscribe to the channel. And as always, let's freaking go, dude.